are calling on elected leaders from Murang'a County to shun divisive politics and unite for the benefit of the entire community. The elders have expressed concerns over some incidences where a section of elected leaders and their followers have resorted to use social media platforms to insult others.
In Murang'a County, the elders led by their chairman Wachira Kiago now say that the difference among political leaders, if not checked, may escalate and cause divisions among residents. The elders spoke during a ceremony at Kahuro grounds where they referred to the bitter exchange between followers of Murang'a County, woman representative Betty Maina, and those of Maragua MP Mary Waithera, who are now accusing Water Cabinet Secretary Alice Wahome for doing little to ensure Murang'a residents get water.
Community yetu inatakikana kuendelea. Sile kitu tugehisi na kuuliza watu wetu. Kwanza umoja ni wa maana sana. Tushikane na tufikirie sana habari ya watoto wetu ili tuendeleze hii nchi yetu pamoja na community yetu sawa.
Elsewhere, Cabinet Secretary for Labour and Social Protection Florence Bore says that the government of Kenya will fast-track the completion of buildings whose construction has stalled for 3 years at the Children Welfare Society of Kenya grounds in order to enable the institution to accommodate all vulnerable children currently living in private children's homes.
Na pia tunaangalia mijengo ambayo zinaendelea. Ukiona pale nyuma yetu unaona projects 3 ambazo zinajengwa. Ni kwa sababu hizi buildings ambao tuko nazo ni ya zamani na ni ndogo na watoto wamekuwa wengi. Kwa hivyo tunataka kumalizia hizo projects ndio tuweze kuchukua watoto wengi ambao wako kwa centers zingine ambao wamejaa.
There are those who come daily, there are those who are reintegrated daily. Our social workers are always working. We are always working with my colleagues to integrating children back to their families, and we are always receiving children from various government departments that deal with children in one